Today we're going to go through different types of fringes. As you can see, this is a very classic one-length bob. Please be aware this is not a London Hair Clinic piece, it is a training head. So I'm going to just cut through a few looks to give you a little bit of advice on what to ask for when you come to the London Hair Clinic for your fitting. We always recommend when you come to the London Hair Clinic for your initial consultation and then for your fitting that you bring with you some photographs of hairstyles you've had in the past that have worked really well for you, or even if you look at photographs in magazines or on the internet, take a picture and bring them with you. It just means that we've got a good reference and that we're all on the same page. Okay, so I'm going to start off with just a wispy fringe. This is quite a hard look, as you can see. There's no shape in it whatsoever around the face. So I'm going to just start off by doing a soft fringe, just to show you how different it makes the look. Okay, I'm going to just section it off, eyebrow to eyebrow, which is the most natural width. As you can see, that's where it naturally falls. Okay, so I'm going to just literally cut a very soft wispy fringe. Already you can see that it makes the look a bit softer. Next, I'm going to cut in a full fringe. Clients often say that they don't want to have a middle parting. The heads, our systems normally sit with a middle parting. I always cut from the middle just to ensure both sides are the same, but it's easily moved. And at least if you've got a correct balance, it means that whichever way the hair moves in the wind, it's even. So this is just literally another section of hair to make it into a full fringe. I just put the dryer on the round brush through the fringe. It looked very long, but as you can see, just to give it a bounce makes it sit up more, and that's a quite nice length, I think, for most people. If you wear glasses, got to take on board how they sit as well. As you can see, she's now wearing glasses, so the fringe is definitely too long. So what you would do is put your glasses on, and then we would just cut it up so that it's not conflicting with your frames. Okay, so the look is still quite severe, as in you've got a full fringe and then you've got a drop of hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we soften up the sides, the edges, to give it a much more contemporary look. I'm still going to cut from the middle to ensure both sides are the same. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the corner cut into the hair to make it softer. So as you can see, this side has a much softer outline. I've textured through the hair to make it have some movement, and it gives much more body than the other side, which is one length. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to cut a slant fringe, which is something that is very useful for most hair types. I'm going to even off the other side to match it and then show you the completed look. So as you can see, the side fringe, the slanted side fringe, connects shorter and gets longer, so that when you take the hair away, it all connects through.